music from your YouTube. For that, you have to log in your YouTube with your profile. Then you have to go your profile and click on YouTube Studio. Press on it, and then you see this kind of interface. You have to scroll down and go to Creator Music Beta. You need to select this one, and then you have to check mark it and get started. You are accessing Creative Studio outside of USA. Then close and your library. Home. Those are music you can download for your YouTube video. Those are licensed and with premium. You can select mode. Suppose I am like happy mode. Suppose I want to download this music, then just download preview. Then you select your path and press on save. It's automatically download. You can change your mode or length or customize your price. I need free, so I have to select $0.00 and press on apply. Then you can VPN or length, vocal, any kind of, you can customize it. This is how you can easily download music from YouTube Creative Music Beta Studio. Thank you, hope you enjoy.